Hi, I'm Angus from Multi-Brands International, and welcome to Multi-Brands Product of the Week. We want to show you what makes our best-selling products unique and why they'll provide a good return of investment for your business. We'll be uploading this series weekly, so make sure you subscribe. Our first product of the week is Essence Ultra. Essence has changed the Femcare market. The feedback we've had is that these quality sanitary towels perform better than other products in the market. Let's have a look at how well these perform in this quick demo. Now let's speak to Daniel from our marketing department to find out more about Essence products.
So today I'm going to be talking to you about Essence, which is a premium range of sanitary pads available in 8 different styles, ranging from Essence Ultra all the way to products developed for specific lingerie types. It contains something called 3D Pearl Surface technology, which is top of the range technology developed in multiple layers to offer only the best protection to any of our users. Now, when you get hold of an Essence product from Multi-Brands International, you can be sure that our sales team will look after you all the way through from product procurement all the way to retail. We can offer you various POS solutions, and you can expand your product lineup massively because, as I mentioned earlier, it's available in 8 different product types, all available at fantastic value, and your margins will always thank you for it. I'd highly recommend getting in touch with our sales team today, and Angus will provide you that info at the end of the video.
If you'd like to find out more about our Essence products, don't hesitate to get in touch with our sales team at info@multibrands.eu.com. If you're based outside the UK, we also have international offices to get in touch with. You can always email us, but you can also go to our website at www.essence.eu.com. Thanks for watching.